Hey guys, what's up? Nick here once again. I know it looks a little bit weird right now, mainly because this box is humongous, but today we're going to be doing an unboxing and overview of the Shure SM7B Dynamic Cardioid Studio microphones. Let's get right into it. So we're going to be unboxing it, taking a look at it. I'm going to be setting it up all on video for you guys, showing you the ins and outs, how to connect it correctly, and then we're going to do some sound tests and all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's open it up. As you can see, we got a big ass box, but with the size of the microphone, I can't really see this taking up the entire box. More than likely, this was due to protect it. So we're just gonna cut along these lines here. All right. And yeah, as I expected, out of this gigantic box, this little tiny box, the SM7B, as you can see there. So we're gonna put that away for just a second. We'll get this box out of the way. Alright, so now we can sit down and actually get this unboxing going the way we want it to. Now the SM7B, this is probably one of the most renowned and pretty much the most common microphones out there in the streaming community, YouTube community, vocalist community, all of the above, and for a very good reason. It has one of the most neutral pickup sounds out of any microphone out there. You do have to be pretty close to the microphone, so we'll get more into that once we get it set up and testing it out. But the overall quality that you get out of these things is just top-notch. I know that there's a lot of people out there that are skeptics of the SM7B. There's people I've watched a ton of videos before looking into this that say that it's got some issues compared to other microphones when it comes to having to be so close to it, and a lot of other stuff. But that being said, this is not going to be a full review, but this will be a quick unboxing and looking at, you know, how it sounds, and we will do a mic test and all that at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. I will also have timestamps at the bottom of the video. You can just scroll through if you do want to skip the unboxing, go right to the mic test. So inside, it looks like it includes the mic itself, and it does include a type of wind guard, an extra wind guard, I guess, if you are going to be using it outdoors. Obviously not going to be an issue for me. It does say legendary vocal microphone, shielded selectable frequency response microphone, delivers warm and smooth audio reproduction in close proximity applications. So pretty cool. It says that. Legendary sound, unmatched performance. Shure SM microphones deliver an unparalleled mix of audio quality and rugged dependability that has made them the industry standard in professional sound for over 40 years. Built to withstand the rigors of regular stage and studio use, SM microphones are the cornerstone of a complete family of Shure wired microphones tailored to meet any audio need. Other than that, really nothing else around the box. So with that, let's get this open. I don't see any stickers, so I think we can just slide it out. Just like that. Put that on the ground, and we do have a sticker here that we're going to cut like that. There we go. Okay. So right off the bat, we got a ton of documentation right off the top, so just a limited warranty, nothing too crazy there. The giant user guide, which we may look into, and probably a lot of people might be using it, but for me personally, don't really need that. On the left side here, we have the wind guard, which again, I'm not going to be using, but it is cool that it is included for free. So if you do take it outside or whatnot, or if you're really having issues with it pronouncing certain words like the S sound or the P sound, and your wind is messing with your audio, I guess that would be the one way to fix that. And then to the main show, take this piece of foam out of here, lift the microphone out. It's a lot heavier than I expected, not gonna lie. This thing is a beast. Holy moly, I'm almost wondering if my microphone stand's even gonna be able to hold it. It is a beast for sure. All right, so there she is. Got the Shure SM7B logo on there. It's very cold to touch because it was sitting outside for quite a while in the cold. I do apologize about that. On it, dynamic low Z, made in Mexico. That's pretty much it. There's a couple of switches on the back from some of the reviews I've seen. Nobody really talked about them, and if they did, they said it really isn't anything you should change. Just kind of keep it the way it is. There are specific reasons for them, but nothing that you have to worry about as a streamer. So that's kind of nice. And then I'm glad that it comes with the mount ready to go. with the plug-in for the XLR, and then the mount that goes to any ring stand, really, or any arm stand, or I don't know if this would plug into a tripod of some sort, maybe if you had an adapter. So we'll have to see how that goes. But that's all there is right off the bat, right there. That's the microphone. In the box, we also have this little strap. I'm not really sure what this is for, to be honest. I may have to look this up to see what does this do. Is this like maybe a cable strap? It looks like you'd use it to maybe shorten your XLR cable if needed, because it is just a Velcro loop. So I don't really know what that'd be for. And then in here we do have, it looks like a back plate, which would cover, this looks like it covers the switches. So if you're not going to be changing them anyway, which I will not be doing, might as well put that on. It's a nice piece of metal. It says Shure on the back. That's pretty nice. And then it looks like it screws in, so looks like I'll have to take out 2 of these screws to place that in place. So we'll do that off screen, but we're definitely going to do that because I don't want those switches just open like that either. So that's all that's in the box. Comes with everything ready to go, except you will still need some type of XLR cable for the microphone to get power and obviously to connect to any of the device of your choosing. As for the device, you'll need some type of mixer or audio converter to USB, which is what I'm using. I'm using the Behringer, I always forget the model number, the UMC204HD. It's got like a 2-input system, super easy, ready to go, has phantom power, everything. If you want to check this audio converter, and of course the microphone itself, I'll have links in the description below so you can go purchase them for yourself if you'd like to give them a try. Without further ado, let's do a little time lapse of me setting it up and we'll do a mic test. So let's go. All right, so we got it all set up and ready to go. We are now using the SM7B by Shure. How does it sound? Hopefully it sounds rich. Hopefully it sounds warm. Hopefully it sounds pretty decent. Now, the one thing I did notice is I had to turn the gain up way, way farther with this microphone than I had to with my old Audio Technica. Now, before getting this microphone, I did do some extensive research on it, and one of the biggest things I noticed is that people were saying you absolutely need to get what's called a cloud lifter. It's a little device that connects between the microphone and your audio interface. And I did some more research on it, and I was like, well, why do I have to get this? It's $150. It's a little tiny box that connects from the microphone to the cloud lifter, from the cloud lifter to the audio interface, then to your computer. Why do I need that? Now, the biggest thing is what the cloud lifter does is it gives your microphone, your Shure SM7B microphone, it gives it some more gain. And what that means is that you don't necessarily have to turn your gain way up on your audio interface. So it gives it somewhere around the ballpark of 20 to 30% more gain, essentially raising its volume. Now, the main reason for that and why you have to raise the gain on the Behringer here that I have as my audio interface is because these don't give off essentially enough power to run these efficiently, if you put it that way. Now, what I mean by that is it will work, and it is working because I do not have the cloud lifter plugged in with it. I didn't buy it. It does work. But yes, you do have to basically turn your gain to pretty much 75 to 80% to get to this volume in order to hear me well enough to record in a recording fashion, whether I want to record vocals or podcasts or anything just for a streaming or a video. So the answer to that question, do you need a cloud lifter if you're going to be getting this microphone? Absolutely not. However, if you are going to be using it for more of a professional recording studio, if you're going to be doing vocals and stuff like that, maybe it would be a good interest to get it, but in reality, it just means you have to lower or be able to turn your gain up higher if you have the cloud lifter. So yeah, I mean, in reality, the only reason I'd ever see anyone having to use a cloud lifter specifically for this microphone is if you're doing some really high-end vocals, like maybe you're hitting really high notes and you're hitting that gain blowout, essentially, where you go way over the line and you start getting crackly and you can't really understand what's going on because you're just going over that line with the decibels. Now, the cloud booster would essentially stop that from happening because you could lower your gain a little bit on your interface and not have to worry about that. But like I said, in 99% of the situations you're going to be using this microphone for, you pretty much don't need the cloud lifter. It's more of just if you have OCD and you don't want to have to turn your gain super high up, you should be just fine. So this is, again, the SM7B without a cloud lifter. You're hearing it right now live. I didn't even have to do anything. This is straight out of the box, plugging it in, turning up my gain on my Behringer, and here we are. I didn't do any audio mixing. This is totally unedited. So that's how it sounds. Now, I did want to do a quick test. Basically, this mic versus my old mic, which is the Audio-Technica AT2035. You can find this bad boy on Amazon for around $90. I think it's like $120 if you get the kit, which comes with the shock mount and like an arm stand and all this cool stuff. Ready to go. It's a really, really great deal. I've had this microphone for about 2.5 years now. Never had any issues. It sounds really good for the price. Obviously, I already see the difference with this one, or hear the difference with this one. It's much warmer, richer sound. I sound more clear more than anything. This one really picks up on the p sounds of your voice, the S's, a lot more with this one. It's more sensitive. Where this one really drowns that out, makes it more of a clean, flat sound signature, so it's easier for your ears and everybody else. So by far, this is a better sounding mic. But I do want to do a quick comparison between the two so you can see the differences or hear the differences of a $90 mic versus a $400 microphone. So here we go. Hello, this is Nick doing a sound test by talking through the SM7B microphone made by Shure. Now, for the sake of this microphone, and obviously my time, I didn't reapply it onto the mic stand. I'm holding it, but hopefully that won't hinder anything. And I did have to lower the gain quite a lot compared to the Shure microphone. So, here we go. Hello, this is Nick doing a sound test by talking through the AT2035 microphone made by Audio-Technica. Alright, so I did the two tests here. You could probably hear the differences quite obviously between the Shure and the Audio-Technica. Again, I don't want to throw any shade towards Audio-Technica versus this microphone. It's unfair, in my opinion. It's an unfair comparison. It just really is. But I gotta say, like, coming from a $90 microphone to this, it's a world of a difference. It's a 180 completely. And this is going to be amazing for not only my video content for the new future for the YouTube channel, but also for my streams. If you want to go check me out, see me live, twitch.tv/ThickNickLive. Definitely go check me out there. Give me a follow if you haven't already. We have a lot of fun over there. I talk to chat as much as I can. I answer any questions you have in chat as well. I love the community. I love hanging out with you guys. It's been a blast. But obviously, I'm going to work a lot on my YouTube content. I'm trying to make a lot more stuff coming very soon. I will be doing a full video review on this microphone for the near future, so definitely go check that out. When it does go live, I'll have in the link in the description below. As for everything else, if you do want to check out this microphone for yourself and give it a purchase, along with the arm stand that I have here, or if you do want to get the cheaper end, the Audio-Technica, which is what I had for the past 2.5 years, if you want more audio samples of the other microphone, the Audio-Technica, watch literally any of my videos in the past 2 years, and that was all recorded with that microphone, so you get a good sense of what it sounds like, which is very good. So I'll have that in the link in the description below as well. So thank you guys so much for watching my video unboxing and quick overview / mic test of the SM7B by Shure. Again, all the links will be in the description below, so go check them out. Leave a like, share, support as always. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We'll hopefully see you in the next one. Peace out. Hey guys, Nick here once again. Before you click off the video, I do want to give a quick shout out to the people who are part of the Thick Squad for this month. This month's new members are Livin' Here and Thrasher the Black Stallion. I just want to give a special thank you to both of these guys for becoming one of the first ever members to the Thick Squad to support the channel, so thank you guys so very much. Are you maybe curious as to how you can get your name at the end of every video of mine? Well, today is your lucky day. All you have to do is click on the little join button underneath any one of my videos, and you too could join the Thick Squad as low as $2 a month. Any amount helps tremendously towards the support of my channel and keeping me going for future videos. You also do get special perks depending on which tier you choose to partake in, and every single one has a special layer of information to tell you which perks you do get for each tier of the Thick Squad. Thank you guys so much for all your support and hope you have a wonderful day. Peace out.